If you've been following the release of the new Sony A7V here, you might know that there were some reports of third-party lenses, mostly Chinese manufacturers, not working with the camera. So I wanted to kind of touch base on that after receiving the camera and doing some tests, and I can confirm that they absolutely work perfectly with the A7V. That was probably due to early firmware of the unreleased camera, but even without firmware updates on the lenses, they work absolutely fine. They work just the same as your A7 III or your A7 IV. All the tracking, the eye autofocus, everything is working as it should. I've tested this with Viltrox, I've tested it with Samyang, with Tamron. They all seem to be working just fine. So if that was a concern for you in a determining factor whether you were going to buy this camera, just know that it's working as intended. Now, every lens may not work. There may be some where some manufacturers have to release an update, so do keep that in mind. I'm not going to guarantee every lens is going to work just perfectly. And of course, all the proprietary things like focus breathing compensation and the max shooting speed and a lot of the tracking and stuff built into this camera, the AI stuff, is going to work best with Sony lenses. Now that's just to be expected, so there are some trade-offs if you want to save some money and get some third-party lenses. Check out some videos that I have on that coming up here. Anything you want to see in future videos, make sure you drop down there as well. And make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and drop a comment so this video can reach as many people as possible. So far, I do have a video showing you what I set up for my custom buttons and my function menu if you want to check that out, as well as my couple-week review of the A7V. Spoiler alert, pretty darn good. It's not a perfect camera, but it is a huge update over the Sony A7 IV. So let's leave it at that, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Again, drop all your questions, your comments, and everything you want to see in future videos down below. And like always, make mistakes, be yourself, and get out there and take some more pictures. See you next time.